So guys, this is the school I'll be showing you today. Prairie View A&M University. It's in Prairie View, Texas. It's about an hour away from Houston, and I recommend this school because, especially for people that are from Nigeria, there is a community of Nigerians here, so it makes it easy for you to assimilate into the new environment. And there also are a lot of opportunities for you to get funds, grants, and support as a student on campus. Also, the fact that the school has a lot of affiliation with so many organizations that come with career fair on campus, so it makes it easier for you to get jobs after graduation. This is the school that I attended, so I can tell you so much about the school, and that is why I will be showing you how to apply today. So get on to pvamu.edu, and you can see this is the application page, but we'll not be going there directly. I'm just going to go through everything here. If you want to know more about the school, you can go to this section, academics, and under academics you can see all the colleges that they have: agriculture, business, engineering, nursing, education, graduate studies. You can see admissions and so on. So whatever it is that you want to know, just go there. And this is the home page. It's basically an HBCU. HBCU is historically black community universities, and it is one of the top HBCUs in Texas. So today basically focus would be on academics and admissions. So I'll go to academics, and for this video I will be simulating for graduate studies and for computer information systems, which is the course that I recommend. Don't be limited by your undergrad course and say my undergrad course what am I not, whatever your degree is from your bachelor's, you can apply. At most you'll be required to take some prerequisites in your first semester, or even during your program before you graduate. So that's just it. So for today we would be going to let's go to College of Engineering first. So under academics comes to College of Engineering, and let's see all the courses that we have here. So Roy G. Perry College of Engineering. You can see we have civil and environmental engineering, electrical and computer engineering, but the focus of today is actually you can see all the courses under computer engineering. You can see all the courses also under computer science and chemical engineering, but for today we are coming to computer science. And under computer science we have BS computer science, MS computer science, and computer information systems. So I highly recommend computer information systems. That is if you are coming from other fields. If you are interested in core computer science, it's okay for you to choose any of these ones, or even look at other courses, mechanical engineering, MS engineering, whatever it is that you want to do. And guys, I'm just giving my own opinion. It's not compulsory that you go with it. You can go for any course that you want, but based on what I've seen, I recommend that you go for a course from computer science. Yes, so go for any of the courses there. So yeah, and if you want to know more about the course, you can easily go there, but for now let us go to admissions. And admissions that we're concerned about is graduate admissions, because I believe most of you viewing, in fact I believe all of you viewing are graduates. Okay, let me not assume. So we're just going to simulate graduate studies for this video. If you want me to work on undergraduates, yeah, we can do that in another video, so leave that in the comment section below. Yeah, they actually take undergrad as well. So right now you can see a graduate studies, apply now, and so we'll come to prospective students. And the prospective students that we're working with, I believe most of you are international admissions. So we go to international admissions, and you can see the requirements step by step. I'll take you through all of this and explain. So here you need to pay an application fee of $50 and fill your online application here. Guys, there is no waiver for this application fee, so don't try to look for a waiver. You just have to pay it. Yeah, and I don't think it's so much. Yeah, $50 if you really want, given all the other savings that you'll be achieving elsewhere. $50, you should be able to get that. So when we want to apply, we'll go to this page, and it is on that page that you pay your $50 application. And the good thing about this school is right now you don't need to write a statement of purpose, motivation letter, and all those things. You don't need GRE. Whatever course you're studying, you don't need GRE, as you will see from this admission requirement. So the next thing If you are coming from a country that does not speak English, or that is, oh sorry, so the next thing is your transcripts. The next thing is your transcripts, and you can use either of these bodies: educational credential evaluators, Pantran, and World Education Services. You can use any of these three bodies to evaluate your transcript. This is WES here, so if you have WES evaluation, you are good to go. And if you are from a country that you've had your bachelor's degree in, so if you've had your bachelor's degree in a non-English speaking country, you would need your TOEFL. Other than that, you don't need it. For people from Nigeria and most countries in Africa, you don't need TOEFL. So that is already waived. You don't need TOEFL, you don't need IELTS, so this is skipped. Then the next thing you need is your affidavit of financial support. Actually, you don't need this until after you have gotten your admission. So initially what you do, I'll show you shortly. We applied here, submit your transcript. Those are the things that you need for your admission, and once you get your admission decision, you will proceed with step 4, 5, 6. Step 4 is for you to submit a financial affidavit support form, which is here. You get it from here. When you click here, you can see here. So if you have somebody that is sponsoring you, maybe your whatever, if you are not sponsoring yourself, you have somebody sponsoring you, you need to print out this form and have them fill it and notarize it. So for graduates out of state, which is what we're considering, this is how much you need to show as proof of support. You can show it in your local currency or in dollars, whichever one works for you. So the person will fill out this form. If you have two sponsors, you print two of these, each of them will fill it, and they will state how much they are supporting you with, sign it, and here you will get a notary public to fill this section and also notarize it with the notary public stamp. So let's go back to the page. So once you've done that, this is step 4 done. You would also need to now attach your bank statements to this affidavit of financial support. So whatever amount each of the sponsors or your sponsor has filled here should be what is shown on his bank statement. Attach both of them and email it to this email address here, ej at yeah, this email address, and copy this. So once you send it to this, you are requesting for your form I-20. You know, you've gotten your admission now, you are submitting these two documents to request for your I-20. When you're requesting for your I-20, also ensure that you attach the scanned copy of your international passport data page. Once you have that, you get your I-20, then you can now pay your service fee and apply for your visa. You get, so you can attend your visa interview. So those are the things that you need to know step by step. It's quite straightforward, honestly. This is like one of the less stressful applications that I've seen in the United States. So once you want to submit, also something else you will need, I forgot to mention, is 3 recommendation letters with your application. So after you fill your online application and you have submitted your transcript, you also need to submit your a recommendation letter. Come to this page, download this page. They can fill it in this form. This form is editable. They can edit this form. You save it again and email it. You need 3, actually. You need 3 people to help you fill that. They can be your family, your friends, your colleagues, your bosses. You will fill those and send to this email address to get your admission. So basically, that's what you need. 3 things for your admission. You need 1, 2, and then 3 recommendation letters. Once you have that, you have your admission. Now let's go to the application page itself. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. I'm really sorry. And so I already have an application. You can see I logged in not quite long, so that's why I didn't have to log in again. It's already opened up for me. So, and I already have my profile set up. If you don't set up your profile after creating an account and logging in, you can't come to this section. So you need to take care of this first and then come to start or edit application. So now let's start an application. I'm just going to I won't submit this application because it's not real. I'm just simulating so that you guys can see and understand. Start a new application, and now don't choose 2 year. You can see this says 2 year community or junior college. This university is not a community college, it's a 4-year college university. Yes, your master's program might be for 2 years. This is not the question you're asking. You're asking what type of school you're applying to. So choose this school, because this Apply Texas page that you're seeing does not only receive application for only Prairie View A&M University, it receives application for quite a number of universities in Texas. So now you are going to select your target university, in this case, which is Prairie View A&M University. Select that, then select your application type. It is what? International graduates. What else? Your semester, we're considering for spring 2023, and now you can see that it has notified you that there is a $50 fee for this application. So select your course of study. Under College of Engineering is where our course is. We're simulating for computer information system, so I've selected that, and you can see the deadline is 1st of October 2022, so meaning we still have some time. And now we start our application. So it's creating an application for us, as you can see. So this is the application that we have just selected, and if you click this plus sign here, it will tell you all the things that you need to do. There are basically just 3 things that you need to do, 3 steps that are very easy. Like I said, no GRE required, no statement of purpose, motivation letter, all those things. Just one essay to write that is very, I'll show you now, let me not talk too much. So international graduate question, you take it step by step. Come to this first step, and it's just going to ask you if you want to be considered for teaching assistantship, research, or fellowship. Indicate which type of award you can select everything. I will even recommend that you select everything. So if you are not offered a financial award, do you plan to enroll if offered admission? Select yes. Yeah, so here it is asking you to add courses if you are currently, like, if you need to complete a semester or an additional term before you enroll, but in this case you don't need to, so just keep this and go to next. Are you currently residing in the US? If it is yes, select yes. If it is no, it is no, which I believe it is. If you will require a change in your visa status, so you will require an F1 visa if you are coming in as an international student in the United States. So select F1 visa. This is not a J1 exchange program, so you don't select this. Expected source of financial support. So if you are going to be sponsored by family or personal funds, whatever it is, so I'm just going to select this. Are you married or single? You can choose whatever you want to that is true for you. Do you have children? You can choose if you have children. If you don't have children, just say no. So for the purpose of this, I'm just selecting no. So if you want to designate somebody to also discuss your file with the university, you can click yes. That is, maybe if you have someone in the United States here that you want to be helping you monitor and follow up with your admission at this week, and select yes. But for the purpose of this, I will select no. And then it is saying employment section not required, so go to next. Academic references not required, go to next. Honor section not required, go to next. Educational experience section not required, so go to next. Extracurricular section not required, we go to next. And community volunteer service not required, so we're done with this first step. And we come back, it redirects us back to this page. So go back again to this plus sign, and you can see that this first section has been selected as completed. So the next thing we need to do is come here, question specific for PVMU. That's the short form of the school. Initial degree you want to seek. Right now we are considering for masters, so select masters. Ultimate degree is also masters in this major. That's for the major that we have selected. Are you a former student? If it is yes, say yes. If it is no, say no. Or have you previously applied? If it is yes, just yes or no question. Convicted of a crime, criminal history, just select what applies. Select what applies here as well. And with this, we are done with this section. So section 2 also completed. Come back here, click on the plus sign. You can see The two have been completed. Essays for this application, that's the next thing we need to do now. So they have two test questions, and it is recommended to keep it between 500 and 700 words in length. Yes, so we start with question one. Question one is basically asking, why did you choose PVMU? This is a very simple question. This is, like, for me, this is much simpler than writing a statement of purpose. This, just go online, read about the school, draw up facts, details about the school that you like, connect it to yourself and put it here, and you have your 500 words essay. Submit it, c'est fini. The next question is basically asking you, if admitted, will you attend full time? This one, you don't need to write long story or essay, just say yes or no. It's a yes or no question. So once you do that, you are done. Yeah, so I'm not going to fill this, and I'm just going to go back to applications. And so once you do that, it will then move you to the next stage here, which is for you to pay your $50 application fee. Once you do all of this, you have applied to the school. Then you now submit your transcript evaluation and also your recommendation letters, and then you'll be considered for admission. If you meet the admission requirements, you'll definitely be given admission. So that's basically what you need to do. Let's go back to the admission requirements page, which is here. So once you do all of that, that's all you need to do. Honestly, that's all you need to do. It's as easy as that. Very less stressful. So guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about anything I've discussed today, please let me know in the comment section below. Also join our Telegram group. I answer questions so much, and even share opportunities that I don't get to share on YouTube. I share them on the Telegram group. So ensure that you join. Whatever it is, I trust God to help you, and do take care, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.